Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use our analog system, tour guide system, which is Okayo WT-300. So our next booking is for 30 receivers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 20 and 30 and 2 transmitters. Just in case, I would like to let you know that these 2 transmitters, they're not possible to use the same time. So if you have 2 tour guides, we're happy to supply you 2 transmitters. Each transmitter, for example, this set will be including 2 microphones of this type and 2 microphones clip-on. So for sure, these microphones are better because is an over-the-head microphone, and this microphone, when you turn your head, it turns as well. And while these microphones, those, you clip them to your cloth, and when you turn your head, the microphones stay in the same place, so the volume for the customers can be different. Okay, so anyway, so these 2 transmitters, if you switch them on same time, they contradict each other and they're not going to work correctly. Instead of that, if you have 2 tour guides, what you need to explain them that when your first tour guide is speaking, so their transmitter should be on, but another tour guide transmitters should be switched off. So when the first tour guide finish their conversation, they must switch off their transmitter. And at the same time, the second tour guide who is going to talk should switch on their transmitter. So switching on is very easy using this red button. Press and hold until you see on your screen. So when you just switch it on, there is no immediately padlock here. It means that you can change channels by mistake. So what you need to do is just wait a little bit. So when the lock appeared here, now channels locked for the changings. So if you need to adjust channels, for example, if someone comes to you and says that they can't hear you, so you have to check that channels are matched. If they are not, so you need to adjust this channel. For example, again, it's locked. If you want to remove this lock, press and hold these 2 blue buttons together until locks disappear, and then you can change channel. For example, again, if someone comes to you and say that, sorry, I can't hear you, you need to have a look on the receiver's channel. If it's not matched to your transmitter, what you need to do is adjust the channel. You will not be able to adjust it if the lock is here. So to remove this lock, you need to press and hold these 2 blue buttons together. So when the lock disappears, now you can use these 2 blue buttons and put the same channel like here, 36, and again wait a little bit until the lock appeared here. All right, now they connected to each other. And once again, the 2 transmitters, 2 tour guides, they cannot talk simultaneously at the time, but they can do it by turn. All right, so again, each transmitter, particularly this set, will be supplied 4 microphones. 2 microphones are over-the-head microphones and 2 clip-on microphones. 4 microphones together. Also, this set will be supplied by 30 headsets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, and 30. Right? So I switch off the transmitter. Again, this is the same button. I put it here. So 2 transmitters. I switched off receivers. So off now. off now. And one more thing to mention. So if tour guide wants to mute themselves, what you need to do is to use this wheel on transmitter. You have to turn it until the end on minimum, and then the tour guide is muted. So nobody can hear the tour guide. But don't forget to bring this back on maximum when you resume your speaking. And each participant, they can adjust the volume using this wheel as well. So headphones, they connected here, okay? So let me put back transmitters. So this is exact set the customer going to have. So I close it here. Then your microphones are going to be here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. 4. If you turn it back, turn around, back, I put your 10, 20, 30 headsets. Also, I will provide the spare batteries. It's less than 1% you need them, because in the current set there are new batteries and they run for around 2-3 weeks. So, but just in case, to be sure that you're safe, you need to take them on your tour. And one spare headphone I put here in the small pocket. All right, so I'm going to close it. And that's how your bag is look like. And upon the delivery, I also will explain the customer how to use the system. So thank you so much for watching. Please come to us and order tour guide systems for hire. It's very easy, very simple, and we do our best to fulfill your booking. Thank you. Bye-bye.